Hi everyone, these are the things required for this craft. We are going to cover the plastic cup and paste these green sticks. Now cover it using jute rope. We are going to weave it like we are doing here, and look, it is almost done. After this we are going to bend all the sticks like this and weave again bend it, and we are going to give it shape like this. And look, your flower pot is ready. You can put flowers inside it, and look, it's looking so pretty. In this video, we are going to make a fun craft using cardboard and jute rope. First, we are going to make a rectangular box and cover it using this cloth. Paste these green sticks around it and cover it using these beautiful lace and jute rope. We are going to weave the jute rope here, and it's done. We are making the tissue paper box here, so it's done. We are going to again make a partition and put it at the center of the box like we're doing here. And look, it is ready. You can use it at tissue box, and you can put another things. We are going to use this empty box, cut it and cover it using cloth. Now we are going to paste green sticks around it using hot glue gun. Now start covering it using jute rope. We are also using beautiful lace to cover it. Now put colorful beads and make the handle and cover it as well. And look, your mini basket is ready. Look at this beautiful box. You can put your different containers inside it. You can make it easily at your home using cardboard box, an empty box and jute rope. And look how many ways you can use it. You can use it at decor pieces and many other ways. Thank you so much for watching this video.